Hi, Eugene. Do you use a credit card?
Yep.
How do you choose it?
Well, some of them were offered when I was opening my bank account. Others were offered to me in shopping malls. In both cases, they told me they will waive my fee, so I said, why not?
There is a typical story of how people apply for credit cards. In this video, we are going to explore what a credit card is, how to choose a credit card, and common mistakes people make. What type of credit cards are there, and how to use it effectively. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Credit card is an amazing tool which can let you enjoy buying things at better terms, sometimes even discounts, saving you some money. However, if misused, it can get you into an unending cycle of debts. Think the movie Confessions of a Shopaholic.
So, what is a credit card?
Well, it's pretty easy. Now, a credit card is a payment card which allows you to shop based on the promise you made to the card issuer to pay them the amount in arrears. The card issuer, usually a bank, grants you a line of credit, hence the name credit card, from which you borrow money. The credit card allows you to build a continuing balance of debt subject to interest being charged, instead of paying all of the money up front.
So, is a credit card like the money I loaned from the bank?
Yes,
And I don't need to repay the whole amount at once.
this is the common mistake that people actually make.
So, I can buy a car and pay for it as long as I want.
Essentially, yes, but be very careful when you use a credit card. Otherwise, you will end up paying much more than you would have if you paid the whole amount in advance with your cash by yourself, while creating an opportunity to destroying your credit scoring and not being able to buy nicer things in the future.
Sounds dangerous. Any advice on how to use a credit card and what is that credit score?
Sure, let's go through them right now. First of all, pay your bills in full every month when you use your credit card. Also, never pay your bills late. Log in into your account to check your balances on a regular basis so you know what is going on. Use your credit card as your normal budget. Know your limits. Take advantage of all of the rewards that you can. Choose the credit card with the extra perks.
So maybe not a good idea to buy a car using a credit card if I can't afford it to pay it in one go.
It can be a good idea if you know the full perks that the credit cards can offer you. And taking advantage of it all can be the best of all of the worlds. But let's look at the basics of how to choose one.
Yeah, so how to choose a credit card?
So you need to decide of what you actually will use the card for. You must stick with your budget. Look at the spending habits. If you like the travel purchases such as hotels or the airline tickets, whether you're using it for gas, groceries, restaurants, or your business spending. Then you need to look at what are the most rewards that are useful for you. A credit card offering 0% introductory annual fees or rates on purchases if you plan to use your card for big purchases that you won't pay off immediately.
So if I see this is a good idea to buy a car using a credit card, and I will not have to pay anything extra if I don't pay it in one go.
Pretty much, yes. This is one of the can be good to buy your car on your card, but be careful as you would need to know how long the introductory period will be. If the bank says it is only for 30 days, then you will be disadvantaged. If you find out that the 0% that they are offering or the lower interest rates, it's for 12 months or longer, then you are here for a bargain. But make sure you pay off the balance within that period of time that the banks are offering. Then let's look at the cashback card. If you want to get your rewards as a statement credit, so you reduce your monthly bills.
So let me get this straight. They pay to me for paying with this credit card? Wow, that's a bargain.
Yes, essentially it is, but usually it will be, for example, for every $10,000 that you spend on your card, you can possibly get the $100 back as a cashback. There are also travel credit cards if you want to earn the airline miles or points for hotels.
Nice. So if I travel a lot, it's a good deal. But if I don't, then I shouldn't base my decision on this perk.
Not necessarily. There could be a situation where you want to have a romantic night out with your wife, and you decided to do it at a five-star hotel locally. This type of card may allow you to get a cheaper room in the top-notch hotels for a bargain price using the credit card points. It's all about the travel, but it can be domestic one too, local, down the road from your house. Next one, talking about the travel cards, there are also lots of different options for the airline or hotel cards if you want to earn points or freebies with a specific airline or hotel.
Is there any difference with the travel credit cards?
There is a slight difference. This one would be specific given to by the specific place. For example, Asia cards can give you only the travel points with Air Asia, where you can generate the air points only and cannot be transferred over to any other airlines like the travel card will do. And talking about this, one of the other potential options you can have here is the business card. And this one will allow you to make purchases for your company.
Shouldn't the company provide me with a corporate card?
Yes, there will be a corporate card. However, you are missing the point. Business card, it's for small businesses, and corporate cards are given when you work for large organizations, and not everyone can get it. Business cards can be applied by anyone who owns a business and earns some money from their own activities. Let's also have a look on the opposite side of the business or travel cards. There is also a student credit card. If you are still in school or just entering the universities, and you can get this type of card to start building your credit.
Why do I need to build my credit score, by the way?
Actually, no, you don't really need to do it at the time when you're at school, but this card can be really handy in those situations when your parents forgot to give you your lunch money.
I see. All right, cool. Now I know how to choose a credit card. Thanks a lot, mate. Is there anything else I should know before applying?
Yeah, what I told you just now is only a small portion. In our next video, I'll tell you how to review key terms and conditions, annual fees, qualifying requirements, common mistakes, and so much more. So don't apply for a card just yet, okay?
All right.